In spiritual practice, it can be so easy to fall for the story that enlightenment is only available to people who live in monasteries. That to know your true nature is something that's only accessible once you've practiced for years, decades. But friends, in this contemplative glimpse, I invite you to pause and recognize the way in which we all have equal access to our true nature. Our very being is fundamental and primary. It's not something to be earned. Once we've worked really hard, once we've practiced diligently enough, that's the old conditioned model. That actually has nothing to do with the peace of our being or the way in which our true nature is ever present and something to be recognized, not something to be attained.